How to build anything using Grok 3. Grok 3 right now is available for free. You can test it out on your own and give it a look. And today we will be testing it out. So here is my website, Neotech Services. Grok 3 is right now available for free. So what you can do pretty easily is go to text generators Grok 3 and find our first tutorial where we see how exactly Grok 3 breaks the benchmarks, along with a link to the official website to try it for free. So today we're going to use it. It has so many capabilities and let's get started. So first of all, we've got these options over here like draw realistic image of Donald Trump. So create a realistic image of Donald Trump would be amazing. And they say that it has such amazing image generation capabilities. It gives us 4 options for the image generation. We're going to use the deep search, the thinking model, the search in general. Okay, this looks indeed very realistic. We can also add at a rally. So it's going to give us even better image options. Grok 3 right now is slow because probably all of the world is using it. It launched like 2448 hours ago. It makes sense to be slow. And again we have the free version. And what Elon said is that it will be upgrading and improving it every day. So yeah, that looks very realistic. So in upcoming videos, we will know more about generative AI technology and the concept of its applications. If you want to give something in return for my free knowledge, then definitely like this video, and you must have subscribed to my channel, because I'm going to bring many important courses in the coming time which will be free of cost available on my YouTube channel and my blog. Now allow your friend. See you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching, good luck, goodbye.